Hello and welcome back to this week's Water Report with me, Carel. Hello, welcome back to this week's Water Report, where we discuss anything and everything regarding Newcastle's water quality, water reticulation and also air quality. Jumping into the headlines, we are on Wednesday the 22nd of July. There was a community member who notified of a burst pipe, or rather water outages in Panorama Drive. We are unsure of the cause, whether and when this was fixed, because there was no report from the municipality regarding this, but we know that the area was impacted. Although just before this report, this is on the 29th of July, just before it was shot, there was in fact a message from the municipality notifying of another burst pipe in Panorama Drive on the corner of Panorama and Horizon Street, which is affecting the area there. So there is at least a report from the municipality. Carrying on Saturday the 25th of July, there was a councillor who sent out a notification to say that there are water cuts due to a water meter that needs to be restored or fixed, and the areas affected was Newcastle West, specifically Sunny Ridge and surrounding areas. And last week we just slightly touched on the water usage license application that is out from a mine regarding usage of the Ngegaan River. And we've dug deep and we've spoken to legal entities. We've done massive research in very large documents to find out that this might not be such a bad thing as we thought it was right from the bat. We might have jumped in with a bit of emotion because we are serious about Newcastle and its water. But it does seem like what we find there are this might even be a good thing, not just a bad thing. This might be a good thing of problems that needs to be resolved, but we'll make a separate video to just try and clump all that info for you. But if you want to know how water usage license application of a coal mine right next to a water source for Newcastle community can be a good thing, just watch out for that video. Ntungwayo Dam is sitting at its dropped below the 70% now. With its constant dropping, it's now sitting at 69.7%, creeping ever so slowly closer to the slit at the bottom. Then the Newcastle air quality is sitting at approximately 26.8 micrograms per cube, with high peaks of about 40, with the PM 2.5 sitting at 40. This is just the average for the past week, so it's looking a little bit better at least. And also we did mention about the new air quality monitor. From what we could find, it seems like it's a South African Weather Service station which is monitoring the air right here from inside Newcastle now, so there's no guessing. What INTEGRIPURE has been busy with, the team has been busy with drinking water systems for a mine that needed some very well needed maintenance because of the terrible water they're having there, to ensure they can still enjoy safe, healthy drinking water for all the people on that mine. And also there's been a lot of paperwork. It's with bigger jobs between shopping malls, the mines, bottling plants. It's almost like a paper war, so we've spent a lot of time in the office with health and safety files, declarations, disclaimers, and so on, which is very interesting, but it comes with territory, so we'll take it nonetheless. If there's anything you would want to invest in sometime soon, it's always a good thing to, if you don't have one, getting yourself a domestic drinking water system. If you are able to afford that 3,290 Rand investment into you and your family's health, that is a great way to spend some money. That 3,290 Rand includes the installation if you are in Newcastle, and you will have safe, healthy drinking water on tap. And you'll probably not only feel better because of the quality of the water you're drinking, but because it's a good tasting water, you'll probably feel much better from the quantity of water you'll be drinking. So consider that. And if this video is of any use to you and you see it as valuable, remember to share. We appreciate it. Last thing on regarding the mine application of the water usage, if you have any information, please throw it in the comments or just say contact me or come and see me, whatever the case is. we know information is key, so we will appreciate that. But that's all from me, Carel Boshoff, right here from INTEGRIPURE at 38 Victoria Road, Newcastle. We'll see you soon, Newcastle.